When you walk into most schools, you'll see them sitting in desks in front of a teacher, just like you did 50 years ago.
Can we create a system that works not just as well, but dramatically better?
I kept hearing about this new concept, Makerspace.
The Maker movement is a global movement where digital meets physical.
Making provides a confidence in problem solving in the physical world.
It gives a passion for invention and innovation and teaches kids problem solving skills that they'll need for the rest of their lives.
These kids are getting a huge opportunity that will set them up for their lives later on.
First Makerspace focuses on designing, building, and sustaining makerspaces across the United States.
To help enable teachers engage kids, help them meet those needs in creative ways.
More where the teacher's a facilitator and the kids are really taking responsibility for their learning.
There's some kids who are not good test takers, but then they can come in here and I can say, we're going to make this, and they can do that with ease.
Our curriculum is really innovative. It helps teachers to move forward. And our professional development really gives them the training that they need to implement that in the classroom.
I don't think that we could have done it without First Makerspace. I would not have envisioned what we did without them.
Teachers don't have time to do the things that they are already tasked with. So working with us means that we can tell them what's relevant, we can tell them what's fun, we can tell them what's good.
In talking about my vision, they knew exactly what equipment we would need, what furniture we would need.
What we really are wanting to do is give teachers a resource that they can use to expand into this new arena.
First Makerspace gave us an opportunity to build a better program within our school.
There is nothing more powerful than a child who says, I can. It's the first step on a journey of achievement.
It's a confidence booster for some kids that don't perform well in other academic classes.
These kids want different types of education.
It's just amazing to walk in there and see these kids using 21st century skills.
In the 21st century, we need problem solvers, and this space cultivates problem solving.
We have the opportunity to really change how we educate students. STEM and Makerspace has to be at the forefront of that movement.
We really want to work with schools that are excited about making progress in education and moving the needle forward.
I think Makerspaces have a place in every school.